Absolutely. So you want to make sure you trim your the bottom part of your tomatoes there.
And then what we've all been waiting for after all this time is the harvest.
Right, and this is important, and you're thinking, well, I'm not even close to that yet. But the important part is you want to harvest often, and what this does is it allows the plant to know that what essentially is its seed is getting harvested, and then it wants to put up more of its seed because it's like, oh, I'm doing good, I'm going to procreate, and that's why you want to harvest frequently.
From flower to ripened fruit is typically 20 to 30 days based on the type of fruit, cherry versus beefsteak. And as you begin to see the tomato develop ripeness, the tomato ripens from the bottom around. So if you begin to see that tomato ripening, you can harvest it a day or two early. Bring it inside and it will ripen. It's not going to speed up the ripening process if you leave it on the vine. Now, if you're in an area where you don't have to worry about people stealing your tomatoes or animals or tomato hornworm issues, then you can leave it on the vine. But if you're harvesting every 2 or 3 days and you start seeing tomatoes turning, go ahead and harvest them. It's not going to increase the sweetness or the acidity level or whatever by leaving it on the vine any longer. Now, if you are waiting to collect seeds on a particular variety, then you want to leave that fruit on the vine as long as possible, almost to the point where it's falling off of the vine from rottenness.